We love freshly grated ginger in all kinds of sweet and savory recipes. Cookies and cakes, stir fries and glazes, sauces and soups. And normally we just use our rasp grater. The rasp can grate a tablespoon of ginger in 1 minute. But we've seen all these tools that claim to ace the job, so we bought 10. And after grating pounds and pounds of ginger, we learned that 7 of these were no better. And in fact, this one took 4 minutes to grate the ginger. So all of these were out. And that left 3 that were better. And of those, this was our favorite. It's the Microplane Home Series Fine Grater for $14.95. It's super speedy. This thing grated a tablespoon of ginger in just 15 seconds. Look how easy this is. It has sharp etched holes. They slice the fibers so you get less waste. It's got a big grating surface so you get more ginger per swipe. It's got an open paddle so it's easy to get all the puree. This comfy handle feels nice and secure, and the open design makes it easy to clean. To see how it held up, we grated another whole pound of ginger on our winner, and it was still as sharp as the first time we used it. So if you cook with a lot of ginger, this thing pays for itself.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.